Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to create a group shortcut on home screen on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap and hold the group chat you wish to add to the home screen. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap Add Chat Shortcut. Navigate to your home screen. As you can see, your favorite WhatsApp group chat shortcut has been added to your device home screen. This is how you can create WhatsApp group shortcut on home screen on an Android device.